My name is Mark Merritt, and my title, I'm a sales representative at Tilsner Carton Company, Meridian Display. I travel out in the field and meet with customers at their facilities to decide on what types of packaging that they'll need for their products. One thing Tilsner Carton Company does very well, especially in our design room, is they listen to the customer's needs, and we take those needs and hopefully with our state-of-the-art equipment are able to expand on those needs to create packaging that sometimes eliminates some pieces to the box, which cuts the cost for the customer, but the strength of the packaging is still there. We have the ability to laminate on one or both sides of a corrugated sheet, which helps with not only the packaging, the box industry, but also in our display side of the company. We have state-of-the-art flexographic printing where we can print multiple colors onto a package, and it allows Tilsner Carton Company to delve into different areas of the retail environment where other companies can't.
This is a starter kit that we designed for a customer of ours that they wanted to put papers, business cards, things like that, and send it out as a promotional kit to stores. And what we did was we came up with the idea of making a package that has different compartments that you can put papers and things into, along with trays and things that you can put other literatures and papers and stuff into it.
This package was manufactured with an insert to hold multiple different size mugs. We have an insert on the bottom which trapped the bottom of the mug. We have a second insert that trapped the top of the mug, which created a situation where there's very little, if any, damage, and the amount of breakage they were incurring had diminished to almost zero.